Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani, and in today's chemistry session we are going to see about acids and bases. In chemistry, many times that we come across in the chemical reactions or in some theoretical study to understand the meaning of acids and bases. Many times it is necessary to know what is meant by actually acid and base concept. Old and classical definition that we'll first take about acid and about base. Before any scientist given the theory, there were some observational points and the behavior of compound rather than their structure, reactions and some details. There were some points or old concepts or theories, that is the classical definitions for acid and base. According to that old concept, acid is any substance which turns blue litmus paper to red color. We know litmus paper color, that blue and red, in which acid turns blue litmus to red color. Also, it has sour taste. Like we know that lemon, tomato, buttermilk, they have sour taste. Then neutralizes base. When that reaction come with base, acid neutralizes, and that the old concept for acid. Then what was the old concept for base? Old concept for base, it turns red litmus to blue color, exactly opposite to acid. Then it has bitter taste. We know that bitter taste, while the acid having sour taste. Then soapy to touch like soap. As you know, soap solution has what kind of appearance? That is called soapy to touch. Then neutralizes acid. It's opposite to acid. Acid neutralizes base. Here base neutralizes acid. Then we take some everyday examples of acids. Do you know tomato has acid? Do you know lemon has citric acid? Do you know milk contain the acid that called as lactic acid, and the turmeric contain, that is called as turmeric acid. Then we now deal with modern concepts of acid bases, that is the modern theories you may call. Modern concepts or theories of acid base. What is an acid? What is an base? According to modern concept, the first scientist who has given some satisfactory explanation was Arrhenius, and the theory named by his name that called as Arrhenius theory. There are three theories. First called Arrhenius theory, second called Lowry-Bronsted theory, and the third known as Lewis acid base theory. Then we now deal with one by one. According to Arrhenius theory, that famous scientist Arrhenius given this theory defining acid and base. Acid is any compound which donates H plus ion in aqueous solution, that is acid. Then base is such compound according to Arrhenius theory which has OH minus ion or it donates hydroxy ion in the water. Example of Arrhenius acid and base, HCl in aqueous medium can donate H plus ion and hence it is acid. Example of alkali or base by Arrhenius theory, NaOH in aqueous medium, it can donate OH minus ion, something like this. So these are the Arrhenius acid base definitions. Now we deal with Lowry-Bronsted theory. According to Lowry-Bronsted theory, acid is any substance which can donate proton, and base is any substance which can gain proton. To donate proton, acid. To accept or to gain proton is base. Now see the example of this Lowry-Bronsted acid base. This acid HCl can donate proton H plus. So this is according to Lowry-Bronsted theory an acid. While a base, we take example of ammonia. Ammonia, that is NH3. NH3 can accept proton, something like this, and then it become ammonium ion NH4 plus. So this acts as base because it accepts proton. and that is, according to Lori-Bronsted theory, this is a base. The last theory that called as Lewis theory, and according to Lewis theory, which is depending on the concept called lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons is an important concept in chemistry, that is the unshared electron pair that present on electron rich molecule and that can be donated to other. If a substance can donate a lone pair of electrons, then according to Lewis theory, it acts as base. So acid is electron pair acceptor here and base is electron pair donor. Example of base here, donating lone pair is ammonia. We know ammonia has lone pair on nitrogen. And example of acid to accept proton is BF3. It is not to forget, this electron pair donated or accepted is not to form ions but to form a particular bond that called as coordinate bond. And if you see the reaction between NH3 and BF3, something like this. NH3, such structure we know, and it has a lone pair of electron on nitrogen. BF3, something like this, and this lone pair of electron donated to BF3 and that gives coordinate complex. That coordinate complex contain the coordinate bond between NH3 and BF3 and that can be shown such structure. Rough. This is the coordinate bond form and this is the coordinate complex. That is called as coordinate complex, NH3BF3. So that is the example from Lewis acid-base theory. We have three theories in the modern concept: Arrhenius theory that deal with H plus and OH minus, Bronsted-Lowry theory, proton transfer theory, and Lewis acid-base theory that is electron pair donor or acceptor. So this is the brief idea about the acids and bases. And if you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press that bell button icon for getting our latest video notifications. Thanks.